Hey everyone, welcome to the quick guide on how to check the earnings per share of a stock on Google Finance. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigate to google.com/finance/. Use the search bar at the top of the page to look up the company you want to analyze. For example, you can search for Enbridge Income. Click on the company name from the search results to view its profile page. Once you're on the company's profile, scroll down to find the Financials section. You'll notice three main tabs: Income Statement, Balance Sheet, Cash Flow. Select the Income Statement tab, then scroll down to locate Earnings per Share. Here, you'll be able to view both quarterly and annual EPS figures. Earnings per share is calculated by dividing a company's net profit by its total number of outstanding shares. It shows how much profit is earned per share and is a key metric in evaluating a company's financial health. For example, if the quarterly EPS is $11.96 with a stock price of $1.03, or the annual EPS is $0.36 and the stock price is $2.80. These figures help investors assess profitability over different periods. Values will differ depending on the company and the reporting timeframe. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.